Alright guys, you've been asking, we've heard you. Today we're doing a deep dive into crypto airdrops, what they are, how they work, and how to make sure that you get some free tokens. This is the Crypto Airdrops Definitive Guide. Welcome to CoinMarketCap's Tuesday tutorials, where we make it easy for you to get the most out of all of the crypto tools out there. My name is Trev, and here at CoinMarketCap we love making videos about all things crypto. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button down below. CoinMarketCap has over 11,000 listed coins, which means that new cryptocurrency projects are looking for more ways to attract new investors and supporters. So they have to employ some very creative techniques to get themselves to stand out amongst the other 11,000 listed coins. Enter airdrops. Once considered as an unconventional form of guerrilla marketing, airdrops have exploded in popularity since 2017, with countless projects using this strategy to expedite adoption and to encourage the community to help adopt a project or by rewarding its loyal users. Additionally, an airdrop may come as a result of a hard fork, such as what happened when Bitcoin holders received a one-to-one airdrop of Bitcoin Cash in 2017. So what are crypto airdrops? Apart from your standard press release and social media promotion, a crypto airdrop is usually a marketing tactic that uses the free distribution of new cryptocurrency tokens to drive awareness and build communities quickly. Crypto airdrops are therefore commonly used by startups to help bootstrap their crypto projects. News of a crypto airdrop are usually posted on the project's website, or Medium page, or third-party tracker like, well, CoinMarketCap, and shared across social media platforms where more people interested in cryptocurrencies can see it. So how do you get a hold of an airdrop? For starters, airdrops are all about raising awareness and building a community. So most likely you've heard about an airdrop through a friend or a social media post. Now if you want to stay ahead of the competition, you can use CoinMarketCap.com. Click on calendars, and from there, click on free airdrops. You can see how much time is remaining for each ongoing airdrop. More importantly, we can see the ones that are up and coming and the ones already ended. And make sure to have a CoinMarketCap.com account to not miss out on any of the latest airdrops. Now to properly participate and actually have a chance to get them, make sure to follow all of the directions on the airdrop page. So let's open up a few different projects and look through the requirements. So let's look at how to participate in them. So I already have Forest Night open. This is just one example. So all you have to do is just scroll down, go over to how to participate. From here, you would just see it says add night to your CoinMarketCap watch list, follow the Twitter account, like our new Facebook page, join the Telegram chat group and announcement channel, join the Discord group, and then it gives you a couple ways on how to increase your chances of winning. And then over here, you can also see how many people are participating, and you can also see how much time is left. Alright, so for this example, I have Snow Crash token open here. All you have to do is go over to join this airdrop, and we are going to see out some of the parameters of what it's like to actually join one. So in here, you can just see that you have to add it to your watch list. You have to follow them on Twitter. You have to follow the CoinMarketCap Twitter account. Then once you do all of this, then you can put in your Binance Smart Chain wallet address, your Twitter handle, Facebook handle, etc. And then you can also agree to the parameters and you will be joined into the airdrop. It's that simple. And if you don't follow all of the instructions, you may not get them. So make sure to follow all of the steps. So why do we love crypto airdrops? Most crypto enthusiasts, especially those with little to no holdings, love airdrops because they see them as free money. And in many cases, this free money could actually surge in price and actually appreciate over time, providing immense profits with zero capital. Now, before we talk about money and the potential riches that you could have off of airdrops, let's talk about safety first. Once you've heard about an airdrop, be very careful when you're searching for it online. Fake sites often pay to advertise on both search engines like Google and social media platforms to lure in victims. Even accidentally mistyping a direct URL can direct you to a copycat fake site. Therefore, be careful which airdrop you're signing up for. And if a project ever asks you to send funds to them, don't do it. It's probably a scam. When in doubt, bookmark CoinMarketCap.com, search for a project within our website, and use a project's listed URL as a verification tool. And lastly, when it comes to security, most people don't know about this, but some airdrops are simply vehicles to get personal information from you in what's called a dusting attack, where you receive a fractional amount of crypto into your wallet and thereby reveal your public address to a potential scammer or hacker. Once a project has your public address, its members can easily check your portfolio through Blockchain Explorer tools. If you're holding a valuable sum of crypto assets on that wallet address, you could theoretically get targeted through phishing, SIM swap, or other hacking attempts, or even real-life extortion. Therefore, it's best to create a wallet just specifically for airdrops. This is pretty simple because most airdrops happen on the Ethereum network, as as ERC20 tokens. Simply set up a new address on the likes of MetaMask or MyEtherWallet to receive airdrops. This will also enable you to separate house money from coins you've actually paid for. Alright, so once you're safe and secure, let's talk about the potential of airdrops. For example, the Uniswap airdrop in 2020, the world's most popular decentralized exchange, airdropped its native asset, Uni, to all wallets that had used its platform and performed at least one transaction prior to September 1st, 2020. An eligible account received 400 units of the base asset. During the event, most recipients quickly dumped their airdrop tokens, and Uni changed hands at $2 to $4. Those who held on for dear life, or hodled, were richly rewarded for their patience and loyalty as the exchange token value soared with others in the DeFi ecosystem, climbing from $2 to an all-time high of almost $40 in April of 2021. Not bad. Or let's talk about the 1inch airdrop. In December 2020, the 1inch decentralized exchange airdropped 90 million 1inch tokens to more than 55,000 addresses. To be eligible, an address needed to have traded at least $20 or made 4 trades before the airdrop day. At launch, the price of 1inch was about $2.70. Fast forward to April 2021, and the coin traded at above $6. And there was one particular address that received a crazy 10 million tokens during the day of the airdrop as rewarded for its support. That stash was worth $60 million in April, an increase of approximately $33 million in less than 5 months. Now, with more coins coming to the market and CoinMarketCap listing over 11,000 of them, marketing is becoming harder and harder. And that's why some projects partner up directly with CoinMarketCap to help support their cryptocurrency. And you can easily get airdrops from them by following our Learn and Earn campaigns. Not only will you receive free airdrops, but you will also learn about specific projects and educate yourself on its potential and future applications. And on that note, help us get crypto to be adopted around the world by sharing this video with a friend or family member. Help them learn more about crypto so even they can receive free airdrops. And lastly, here at CoinMarketCap, we are doing our own airdrop. As in the case with our brand new YouTube launch event, simply click subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and complete a short quiz linked below and enter to win $10,000 worth of USDT tokens, NFTs, and CoinMarketCap diamonds. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below.